So we are opposite the Warikar Bridge Road, the junction actually, which is exactly opposite the Girgaon beach, and we're going towards the Bridge Candy, essentially Babulnath junction, and then towards Bridge Candy. So let's go, let's start the tour. And this is the Girgaon beach. That's your Wilson College, and behind me is the junction, the Warikar Bridge junction, and there is extra security today because of the G20 summit, so doesn't matter, we'll keep walking and keep taking the tour. But look at that, it's clear sky. I mean, even the Marine Drive is visible today because of the clear weather. So let's go. Like I said, Wilson College bus stop. Woo. Nice seats. Like I said, G20 summit, they have hoisted the flags. Let's jump right ahead. Look at that, really nice, right? Love the architecture here. I mean, there are lots of buildings which are lined up until the Babulnath junction, and then you'll see them up until Bridge Candy as well. Cool. We have to take right from the junction. We'll be on our way to Babulnath temple and then the Bridge Candy. That's the junction, and we decided to wear a cap because it's extremely hot. Let's go. We have to go over there. So we crossed the junction and now we are going straight towards the Babulnath temple. So let's go. And now the beautiful buildings, just look at that. And if you don't know the significance of Babulnath temple, then let's just say Shah Rukh Khan movies. So he made that temple quite famous. So you can see that it's there right in the distance. Wow. Well, previously there was no sign over there. Now I think they've renovated it and made changes. It looks good. And look at that. Usually you'll find this road full of traffic. that's your Babulnath temple. And actually, the temple is on the hilltop. This is the entrance. You have to climb the stairs. There's also, what do you say, a lift which will take you to the top. And I think it's only for senior citizens, so it doesn't matter. So that's your Babulnath temple. Awesome. And there are a couple of places where you can actually eat. I mean, essentially take a bite. So these are those few places. So you can eat over there. Nice. Let's keep moving.